Introducing the XtremepowerUS 13-inch filter with 0.75 horsepower water pump for above-ground swimming pools, the ultimate pool pump and filter set for crystal clear water. Suitable for up to 10,000-gallon pools. It operates between 32 Fahrenheit and 113 Fahrenheit. Let's start by checking out the components. Now, let's walk through the process of assembling the filter step by step. Start by placing the O-ring into the long side of the filter drain nozzle. Use plumber's tape to seal the threads on the nozzle. Carefully route the long side of the nozzle from the inside of the filter barrel and push it out from the bottom drain hole. Secure the nozzle in place by screwing on the nut from outside the filter barrel. Insert the O-ring into the drain hole nozzle cap and screw it onto the nozzle. Place the filter assembly inside the filter barrel. Position the funnel on top of the filter assembly, ensuring it's inserted correctly and that the filter assembly is centered within the filter barrel. Fill the filter with either filter balls or sand, following our recommended guidelines. Remove the funnel after filling. Put the O-ring onto the four-way valve. Position the filter barrel onto the filter base, ensuring the grooves align with the filter stands and the bottom drain hole is facing away from the pump mounting base. Place the valve on the upper part of the filter, ensuring that the top of the filter assembly is properly inserted into the bottom of the valve. Ensure that the valve pump opening aligns with the pump mounting base and that the waste opening is oriented away from the pump mounting base. Secure the valve in place with locking rings. Place the square nut on one side of each locking ring and tighten. Put O-rings on the hose adapters and seal the threads with plumber's tape. Screw all the hose adapters onto the valve. Remove the pressure gauge covering screw. Secure the pressure gauge with plumber's tape and screw it onto the valve. Next, let's install the pump. Remove the filter from the filter and pump base. Flip the base around and locate the 4 nut spaces used to secure the pump. Press the nuts into the 4 nut spaces. Place the pump on top of the base, aligning it with all 4 screw holes. Hand tighten the screws lightly so that the nut won't get pushed out from the nut space. Use a Phillips driver to securely tighten the screws. Put rings on the pump's hose adapters and seal the threads with plumber's tape. Screw all the hose adapters onto the pump. Now, let's move on to hoses installation. Place the filter back onto the filter base. Attach hose clamps to the valve hose adapter marked as pump. Attach another hose clamp to the pump's outlet hose adapter. Connect the hose to the valve hose adapter and the pump outlet. Tighten the hose clamps with a flathead screwdriver or ratchets and sockets. Place a hose clamp on the valve hose adapter marked as pool. Connect the pool return line to the valve marked as pool and tighten the hose clamp. Place a hose clamp on the pump inlet hose adapter. Connect the pool suction line to the pump inlet and again, tighten the hose clamp. Now that everything is set up, you're ready to start the system. This self-priming pump is efficient and easy to use. Simply connect it to power, and you're good to go. Let's explore the valve functions. Filtration: water is pumped from the pool suction line into the filter, where it's cleaned and returned to the pool. Backwash, used to clean the filter media and remove trapped debris by reversing the water flow. Rinse, set to rinse to settle the filter media and remove remaining dirt and debris. Winter, this position is for winter storage, allowing water to drain quickly from the filter's drain hole. To prepare for storage, cap all above ground pool lines. Open the filter drain hole and set the valve to winter. Unscrew the drain screw at the bottom of the pump. Disconnect all hoses from the filter and pump. Clean out the filter media from the filter. Thank you for choosing XtremepowerUS for your above-ground pool pump and filter set. With proper assembly and maintenance, you can enjoy crystal clear pool water all season long. For any questions or support, refer to the user manual or contact our customer support team.